All right, today we're gonna bring in a beautiful light, and this is a hanging light. If you guys can see it, it comes with a couple things that in case you want to hang it over your desk. Today we're actually gonna put it over this desk here. I like the beautiful solid chromed out. It's pretty much a copper base, right? But if you guys can see it, beautiful aesthetics. I like the reflection of the lights is gonna indicate that there's a lot of little flowers showing. You're gonna see it in the reflection, the shadows right now. No light bulbs included, but they give you a long extension cord, and then of course the off and on button. We're gonna set it up and see how it looks in this room. So let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, the light is beautiful. It lights up the whole area, entire area. It gives you a nice, beautiful look of your desk. I have it ribboned down to the actual desk right over it. You can raise it higher if you want because it's actually power connection. It connects and plugs in. I like that it has its power, so you could turn it off anytime. And I'm gonna show you how bright this thing is, all right? And I do have my fish tank in here. This is the only thing that I have on right now, but the actual light itself, it's pretty bright. And right now I do have an LED light in there. It's a LED light. It's about 40 watts. It's not that bright, but it does shine up pretty good. On the power itself, you have it here function. You could have this as a reading light. You could hang it over anything pretty much and set it up. So I like the whole beautiful details that they have in here. Very awesome little detail. I like the chromed out copper base, and it goes all the way to the high as much as you want. So this could stand out anywhere. You could set up anywhere. I hope you guys enjoy the video.